Dr.Mahendra Albino by name, from South Sudan. Actually, I came to know Fortis Hospital in 2012, and I met several doctors with excellent work. And finally, I get my doctor, Dr.Mahendra Jain, in 2016, and he diagnosed me, and I went well, and I came back finally for my last treatment, and I appreciate that. I'm going to encourage other patients in Africa, especially from my country, and advise them to seek treatment in Fortis Hospital, Bangalore, or in the other state of India. Fortis Hospital is there to meet the same doctors like Dr.Mahendra Jain, who is good in term of urologist. I appreciate that, and I thank him plus his team for the job well done. And I'm going to leave India with happiness, and I hope we will be in touch for life. Thank you.